Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, we're at it again, and this is a Jamaican style. We're gonna do some nice brown stew chicken. Yeah, we're gonna brown up some chicken. All right, first you can burn the sugar in the oil and then add the chicken, but I'm just gonna do it the easy way and add some browning. My chicken over here, I wash it with vinegar. Remember, wash your chicken so you don't get raw, and you can use salt water or lime or lemon juice. If you want, you can cut up your onions and scallion and everything in this all at the same time, but because I already have them in my blended seasoning, I'm just gonna add it and rub it up, and later on I'm just gonna fry up these in the oil somewhat. All right, so you can do it either or, your choice. All right, I'm gonna put about a whopping 2 tablespoons of my blended seasoning. Guys, when you use this, you make a chicken nice, you see man, because all of this preserve and it's gonna marinate the chicken nicely. All right guys, try it at home and talk back to me later. All right. Half teaspoon of this garlic paste. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or 2 of this, about 2 tablespoons of this all-purpose seasoning. That will do. And a little bit of this paprika, about half teaspoon. That will do. A teaspoon, that look like a more than a half teaspoon. Add a little bit of this, about a teaspoon. All right, the next thing, I'm gonna add some gray stock soup. You can add it in now or you can add it after when you're gonna make the gravy. Just gonna add a little bit because I'm gonna let it marinate and all these seasoning and the flavor. Yes, it's gonna soak up in the chicken bone. And then the final thing, we're gonna add the good old grace browning. Guys, don't put too much all at once because it can make it be bitter. So you can add some now, and after when you cook down the meat and you see the meat too white, you can tip a little bit more. All right, but just judge it. Don't put too much all at once because you don't want, boy. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. Yeah, and then after, if it want more, you can add more. The camera cut off, guys. I want to never see when me and mix up everything, but as I show you before, guys, you just want to go ahead and mix it all in. And can you see it, guys? Yes. Sorry about the camera cutting off and you never really see when me and go down in it and mix it. But basically, how I show you, add the browning and you want to mix up everything like this, and this is it. All right, now I'm just gonna leave it for about 2 hours. Overnight would be ideal, but 2 hours is good enough for the season to marinate in it. All right, and I'm gonna cut up the rest of my vegetables, and then we're gonna start to cook this thing. All right my peeps, now I have some coconut oil. We're gonna add all of these garlic so them can burn in the oil. And now I'm gonna add my ginger. I cut them in 2 and then I crush them a little bit so I can burn them in the oil a little bit. And I'm gonna add my scallion, onions, you want to be in the kitchen now, guys. Oh my god, the flavor. Woo. You can do it either or. You can put them in the chicken and put everything in it one time, or you can do it like this. Your choice. It doesn't matter. Let the fire and let the pot do the rest. Ooh, smells so good. All right, that's good enough, guys. Come on over here. Look at that goodness. And we're gonna dump our chicken in it. Ooh. Can you see this goodness here, guys? All right, guys, we're gonna look at it and we're gonna give it a stir. All right. Can you see the goodness, guys? You will want to be with me here in this kitchen. Look at that, guys. You gotta turn down your stove so it doesn't burn. Can you see that goodness? Can you see what I'm seeing here, guys? Look at that. You see how you can make gravy already? And you don't have to add a lot of oil. Just turn down the stove. Well, I have my stove at 5.5. You can use it, put it at 4 if you want. All right, guys, I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna come back. There it is. So in total, from start to now, it's about 15 minutes. It's been cooking without the seasoning. All right, so we're gonna give it a stir, and I think this is good now, guys. Turn down your stove and make it simmer. All right, at this point we're gonna add everything else. All right, everything over here. So let's go in with the carrots. We're gonna go in with the Irish potatoes. We're gonna add our bell peppers and a little bit of tomato there. This is frozen, so I'm gonna turn my stove up a little bit. I have my 2 little pieces of pepper here. I'm gonna set it on top, and I'm gonna add about a cup of boiling water to the sides. All right, and that's it, guys. We're gonna cover this. I'm gonna let it cook down for about 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. All right. All right, guys, there you have it. And that's it for you guys. Yes, yes. I'm just gonna let it dry down a little bit more. Maybe about give it another 5 minutes, and then that's it. Over here, guys, I'm steaming a little bit of plain rice. All right, guys, that's good. You want some gravy to eat the food, so I'm gonna turn it off now. That's good enough, guys. Can you see that goodness? Yes. I'm gonna share out a little. All right, guys, you see, once it cools down, you see how it looks. You need just enough gravy to eat the food. All right, but look at that goodness, guys. Look at that. And that's the rice. You see how shelly and nice. We're gonna remove this part. So guys, sometimes, you know, I will dish it out nice and proper, but guys, I'm gonna eat some right now. I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna plate some right here. And you want to dig in, doesn't matter from which angle. All right, guys. Oh, look at that goodness. We're just gonna plate some right here. We're gonna get a little bit of everything. Try to take out a little bit of everything. Gonna come over here and get some of this nice vegetable. All right. Oh, let me find one more piece of meat. That's good enough. All right. Get a little bit of carrots in it. Yes. cover up a little bit of the gravy part. That's it right there. Can you see that? Jamaican brown stew chicken, yardie style, country style. This is how I see my mama cook it, and this is how I'm giving it to you, and this is how I do it. Or you can just mix up everything and put in a pot and cover it up. But can you see this? Alright guys, that's it. This video is long enough. Love upon me and I love upon you. And can you see my Irish, guys? I made my gravy with a little bit of cock soup and ketchup. So I leave the Irish so I can have them like that. If you add the Irish too early, they're all gonna mash out and everything. But if you want that, you can do it like that. But I like it like this. Guys, if you want, you can eat it with 2 cornmeal dumpling, 2 finger green banana, maybe a piece of plantain, or piece of yellow yam, afro yam, Sivens yam, sweet yam, pumpkin, anything. Alright guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. My June plum juice here, right here. I will show you in a different video how I make it. Can you see that? That's what I'm having. Yes, you should be here with me now guys. Yes.